Hi, I am Brad Ost. I am the Theology and Philosophy Librarian here at Robert W. Woodruff Library, AUC. This is a tutorial on the Lebronix Digital Library System brought to us by Logos Bible Software. We have two computers that contain this software in the library in room 202C. We are not allowed to network it. That's why it's only on two computers. This is just one in a series of 3 tutorials about the Lebronix Digital System. We are going to finish with Study the Word, Study Topic, and My Library today. These are really fairly simple. We've already done Study Passage, the Passage Guide and the Exegetical Guide up here. So Study Topic, let's say that we're going to use their example that they use right there, which is marriage. You just pop a word in and it just simply gives you the definitions that are contained, the different aids that are in this Lebronix software. So marriage in the New Topical Textbook, what does it say there? Where is it located? Marriage in the Wilmington Book of the Bible, where is it located there? So it's a very simple way of finding out where a particular word is located in the Bible. If we're going to go ahead and use study word, let's just put in prophet, which is their word that they give us an example there, and click on go. Let's clear this over here. We click on go. This is going to give you every instance of the word in the Bible. It's going to take some time here. It's generating, which means it's finding every instance of that word. But up above here you can see that it gives the Merriam Dictionary definition of it, and then it gives you prophet here, the Greek for it, and then it gives you several definitions down here. It's still generating, but we're going to stop it just to save ourselves some time and go on down. We see here the key links, the different lexical aids that it has, the Hebrew Bible Dictionary where it talks about it, then the Hebrew root word for prophet, the different roots of it. The size of it determines how often these occur. So if you go ahead and click on one of them, it's going to give you an instance where all those that particular root or that particular root of prophet occurs. We're going to stop that, and that would be anywhere here. So that's the largest one, 311 out of 315 total occurrences of prophet. 311 times it is this construction right here. Let's click on this one here. We can see it's much smaller in size, which indicates there are much fewer of them. So if we click on that, we can see indeed there is only one occurrence of that out of 315 instances of prophets, and it is here in Isaiah 30:10. Then we go to the concordance, and this is where it's going to give you then every single occurrence of prophets, prophet or prophets that's in this King James Version Bible, which is going to be very helpful if you are looking up a particular word in a particular passage. So we go back to, so that is Bible word study. Go back to home. Finally, we're going to look at My Library, which will tell you here, if I bring it inside, all the unlocked resources, everything that's available here. It is clicked on right now, Word Biblical Commentary, so you can see all the volumes of the Word Biblical Commentary that are available. If we go ahead and click on this one, is Jude and 2 Peter by Richard Bauckham. We go ahead and click on it, and there it is, the entire text there for you to scroll to any time that you need it. This is an overview, quick overview of the study word, study topic, and My Library in the Lebronix Digital System.